What's up guys, Eric from BeatSocial. Today we have a special guest here, Levi. He is the owner of this beautiful looking 2023 WRX. He got a car wash just for us. Let's go ahead and let's hear about Levi. Let's learn about Levi, about his car. Introduce yourself to the camera.
My name is Levi, like the jeans. I'm part of the SoCal Subaru club. I currently work in HR in higher education. That does not equate to what affords this car. It's more for financial decisions. Every car guy knows that, right?
Yes, that's how it is.
Yeah. But yeah, this is my 23 WRX. I've had it for 2 years now. Just over 2 years. I actually just hit the 2-year mark last month.
Nice.
Actually. Yeah.
Car looks brand new.
Thank you, thank you. I try to keep it clean, try to get it detailed once in a while. It is fully ceramic coated, which definitely helps keep it clean.
Let's do a walk around the car. I'll see what I can kind of point out, and if there's something that I mess up with that you could maybe correct me, or you could give a bit more explanation of what it is.
Sure.
And I mean, first thing I noticed on this car, these beautiful TE37 wheels. It looks pretty legit to me.
Shout out to Alibaba for the TEs, also known as Avid. No, I'm joking.
Yes,
yes, these are TE37 Sagas that have been powder coated to metallic silver.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I saw that there's a little bit of more glitter to it, a little bit more shine. So I thought it's a custom color T37s.
Yeah.
Could never go wrong with Ts. I love them too. I have it in RGX here. Looks great. Also notice it has these visors here. These are JDM, right?
JDM, OEM.
Oh, JDM, factory JDM. If you don't know what JDM, Japan domestic market. So it's from Japan. These cars come factory equipped in Japan because it rains a lot in Japan and there's a lot of smokers in Japan still, so they like to creak open the window a little bit when they're smoking. So this is what it basically is for, but it still looks cool. I have it in my GX too. It's always a nice touch, these little things here. And it's also very functional because you could be driving down the freeway and while cruising, you could open the window down and you won't have all that fluttering wind noise. And if you're camping out somewhere, I don't know if you're gonna be camping out with this, but if you are camping out, you're sleeping in your car, you'll creak it open a little bit without anyone knowing that your windows are open. So a lot of functionality, and also looks nice. Do you have a big brake kit on here, or is that just the calipers?
Yes, this is a big brake kit. This comes from TDMI. They're a Taiwan-based company. They also have headquarters in the US. It's a 4-piston front and 2 rear. It mimics the colorway of the STI caliper covers, or calipers, sorry. They also make the wheel stud that I have. As of right now, I'm the only VB WRX with the 1.5 thread pitching for the wheel studs. These are fully chromoly forged studs that come from TDMI. I've got Project Kick lug nuts as well.
Do you change it for more wheel fitments?
No.
Okay.
So it's
is it longer?
They're longer and they have a different thread pitch.
I see.
Because the Subaru factory thread pitch is 1.25, which if anyone has ever owned a Subaru knows that they're very likely to get cross-threaded.
Okay,
so they're not great. So I went with forged 1.5 thread.
You know what's funny about cross-threading? Even the radial bolts are very prone to cross-threading in Subarus.
Interesting.
So I guess it's how you do one thing is how you do everything. So for you Subarus, be careful out there. Stop cross-threading your bolts. I noticed when I was pulling your car back out here, your brakes were super sensitive. And I was like, oh dang. Oh, it's just like I thought it was your brake pads, but it's because you have the big brake kit. It looks really nice. It pops out. It's kind of neon color. I like it.
Thank you.
It clashes with your blue. I like it. Yeah, it looks sweet.
Another thing I like about them too is that not only is it the calipers themselves, but they also come with 2-piece floating rotors, stainless steel brake lines as well, and it's a full complete bolt-on kit. I'm
just looking at your car a bit more carefully now. I'm just comparing to how it was when you first came here, and there's been a lot of different changes that has been made. I don't think you had these wheels. I don't think you had the big brake kit. Another thing I noticed is your little lip kit here. See that? You have a really nice looking diffuser back here.
Thank you, thank you.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Thank you.
Is it aluminum?
I believe so. This is made by Veris Engineering.
Okay.
They're a US-based company.
Yep.
And this is actually mounted to the chassis, so it extends pretty far back. I've seen some that are just like some screws, maybe some tape, but this one actually mounts to the chassis.
Nice,
so,
okay.
Yeah.
Sounds like it's very functional.
Definitely.
Yeah. It looks like you have a Remark catback exhaust.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Single exit. Factory has dual, but he has a cover for the other side over there.
Veris Engineering actually makes that cover as well.
Okay.
It's funny, their demo car actually uses the same exhaust. So they actually made that cover for their car. I'm actually a brand ambassador for them. And I asked them, I was like, hey, how can I get that cover on my car?
Yeah.
Like, hey, we sell it.
Oh, okay, sweet, perfect. Yeah.
The rear spats, the side skirt extensions, those are all from Veris Engineering.
Let's walk around to the front. It looks like your car is lowered.
Yes.
What suspension do you have?
These are a rebrand of Fortune Auto 500s. It's also the first VB WRX with air cup suspension.
Nice.
It's running a Stance Parts Universal Air Cup kit that was installed locally by a shop called EP.03.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know them.
Yeah, they installed the complete kit. It's very convenient to go over bumps and in and out of driveways. Without having to worry about scraping everything.
You know, I see a little pattern here. It seems like your car is the first car to have many of these parts on here, right? Including our Encore Alpha amplifier. I think that your car is the first Subaru.
That's correct.
This model Subaru that we installed with. I'm very impressed.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that too. The amp was installed, I think it was early last year.
Was it early last year?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think it was like January, February.
Yeah.
I was here. And you guys had installed the amp for me.
And you also have this a front lip and also a side skirt.
Yes, that's correct. The front lip is from Icon Motorsports. It's polyurethane, so it can definitely take a beating.
Oh yeah.
I've changed out the fog light bezels too, because the factory one doesn't have the LED bar. I changed out the fog lights as well to diode dynamics, so it's even brighter.
Nice. How about the grille? Is that factory?
The grille is not factory.
Yeah, it looks a little different.
This is it's a sport style grille by Aeroflow Dynamics. It mimics the OEM sport grille.
Nice.
And right behind it, I have a white brace bar.
I see that.
Some people say it's functional, but really it's for aesthetics.
Yeah. I see a lot of BMW people do that too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, through the grill.
Oh, I didn't know that. I know a lot of Subaru owners too.
Yeah.
And I'm one of them.
Yes, you are. That is the exterior of the vehicle. Shall we go inside the car to see what's going on the inside?
Let's do it.
All right, cool. I'll sit on the passenger seat.
Alrighty.
All right, Levi, thanks for allowing me to sit in the passenger seat in your WRX. All right, so let's talk about the inside of your car. So let's start from there. I see that cob access port.
Yeah, that's
correct. You want to talk about that?
Yeah, sure. That's just used for data logging and tuning.
Nice.
It's good to have it just to measure a lot of different things with my car.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I can monitor while on the fly.
Yeah.
In case my dam drops, which is very important to know about, and if I have any knocks, I think that's also something to know. But yeah, it's nice. It's very convenient. I also bought a vent mount for it, so it can sit there whenever I need it.
Sweet. Yeah, I hear a lot of people get that to get extra power too, right?
Yeah. That is correct. That is correct. Don't tell Subaru of America.
Okay. Yeah. It's bone stock.
It's bone stock.
We're just only using it to monitor the car to make sure everything is running as it should, and to be able to find potential issues.
Correct.
And we could fix it before anything drastic happens to the car.
Correct.
Right.
It's never been tuned.
Never been tuned. Your shift knob here is aftermarket?
Yes, that's correct. This is a Billet Works shift knob. It's their Fusion. They call it the Fusion. It has a nice feel to it. It's weighted as well, so it makes shifting a little bit more smooth.
Nice. It almost looks factory because of the color. Yeah,
Thank you.
It does.
Thank you. Yeah.
I also think that you have an upgraded audio system in here.
I do, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have the Encore Alpha 2 series?
How'd you know?
Just wild guess. Wild guess. You also got the power subwoofer installed by them too.
That's correct.
Yeah.
That's
Today.
Today, actually.
Did you get to actually listen to the sound system yet with the new power subwoofer?
Like one song.
One song? Okay. Should we turn on your car?
Let's do it.
Give it a run?
Let's do it. Let's test it out.
So right now you have the Encore Alpha 2 series amplifier. Did you also change out your speakers?
I did. So I changed out all 6 speakers. All 4 door speakers are running JL Audio C1 speakers.
Okay.
Which is like their entry level speakers, but still good quality. The tweeters in the corners of the dash are Kicker audio.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Correct.
Nice.
And now 7.
And now 7.
Powered sub.
Powered
sitting right under
subwoofer.
you.
Yeah. Okay. And it's a small sub. I saw that.
Yeah.
Very small. And there's a perfect place for you to mount it under these seats in the Subaru cars. So which was really, really cool. A lot of people on video, or online, they would have to remove their seats, but we're actually able to slip it down there.
Oh, wow.
Use some Velcro, tape it on. So if you guys want to see all that, check out our other YouTube video. We'll have it out maybe before or after this video. I'm not sure, but yeah, it'll be out there. Now that your car has the upgraded speaker, Encore Alpha amplifier, and now this new power sub, let's turn it on. Let's see how you like it.
Yeah, let's do it. Wow.
Like it?
I think this is good. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
It still packs a tight but powerful punch.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
I agree.
It's not too muddy or anything like that either.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
So I did a combination of the lowest setting on the controller and the highest on the amp. And even at the lowest setting, it's like you're barely listening to music and it's still bumping. So it was too loud.
Yeah.
And it's still on an 8-inch, so.
Impressive, but definitely not needed.
Yeah, definitely not needed, especially on those days where you're super tired and you just want some peace and quiet and you hear something vibrating on your back because of the bass. It could annoy you. But when you're very excited and you got a lot of energy, you want to just blast some music and you want to feel those bass, then that's why you want to hear that additional drum bass.
Yeah, that's good. And I think that definitely helps align with what my goal was. Just to have a bit more bass, but not shake the whole car.
Yes,
so
exactly.
This is still my daily driver.
Yeah.
I still got to get to my HR job.
Yes,
So after a long day in the office and trying to get home, I probably don't want my car to be shaking. So, good call.
Totally understand.
Good call.
Yeah, sweet. All right, Levi. Well, hey, thanks you so much for sharing about your vehicle, and about the products you have on your WRX and how you modified it and how it's affecting and how you're enjoying it on daily life. Really, really cool. Thank you very much for sharing. And for all of you guys watching, if you guys are interested in being out on our YouTube channel, just sharing about your car, about your modifications and things you have done to your car and how you're enjoying it on a daily basis. We're kind of looking for more of these lifestyle type of videos and just feedback on how everyone is enjoying their cars, because everyone's different. The cars can be used in so many different cases depending on how you use them. We love to hear it. So go ahead and reach out to us at info@BeatSonicUSA.com. We would love to hear you guys out. For all of the other people that's watching, if you're new to this channel, you enjoyed this video, help us out a lot if you can like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.